Yo, man, tell you the God truth, you know. The Trinity girl them have me weak. Yo, all you mean people don't know say about Yaadman Etan, right now? We're there at UWI, the University of the West Indies up in Mona. And look, you know, me know said the first ever public interview Yaadman ever do was down in Kingston, Jamaica. When me did rate me 1 to 10, I'm gonna get some of the girl them down in Kingston, down a town, for rate me. And I'm gonna go up a foreign to get some of the girl them in a Georgia state for rate me. And guess what? No found in the comments come rip me up and dismiss, come talk about say, hey, why do you have to use them woman they down in Kingston for? Why couldn't you use some, you know, compare university to university? Well, guess what? That's how we're there. Cause today, guess what? My shirt now wash out.
Yep, your shirt wash out.
My shoes them clean.
Your shoes dirty.
And so my pants them, me get them a little bit of space today. Is it me I say?
And the pants tight.
My gun. So look here. UWI, the girl them. Man, look at a girl. Rate me out of 10. Mad thing. Boom.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
What's your name? Nella.
Nicole. I'm Taylor. Gabrielle. Glenelle.
What?
Glenelle.
Where you come from?
Trinidad.
Oh, Trini. Alright, mad.
Ashley Douglas.
Okay.
Dakota Saunders. Beatrice St. Hill.
So, hold on there. Man, I hear a little something going on right there, so I know saying Jamaica this. Where you ladies from?
Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago. Barbados. Ajoa.
Ajoa.
Yeah.
Christabel. I'm Joel.
Chasanji.
Sasanjay.
Yes.
Alright, mad. What's your name, my dear?
Sarah.
Sarah. Mad, man. Alright, so ladies, look here. Alright, I know I'm coming to Jamaica because me I look at wife.
You want it local or international?
No, man, it's local, man.
No, the wife.
No, local. Is it me I say? I see that we have some, you know, good Caribbean candidates coming up and beer things. You know, I expected to find more Jamaicans here, but I forgot that this was the University of the West Indies. All right, so ladies, here's the main question. So talk to me. Ladies, how much you rate me out of 10? May I look at wife, please. Don't afraid to say anything. Is it me I say? Remember, I said this I go up on YouTube. Just the only thing you have to care about are my feelings. So yeah, just
8.
8.
Yeah.
So how come you give me the 8?
I don't know, guys, some Jamaican man crosses, you know, you can't depend on them for certain things. Yeah.
So if you find out some men across, me can get the 10?
Probably. I not put you on high standards, you know, okay,
Oh,
can
so-
just drop.
Okay, so you like to keep your standards low.
No, in
well, not
between.
standards. I mean your what you call it? Your expectations low. That
No,
makes sense.
like in between, because you can't go up and you can't go down, you get me?
Okay,
Yeah.
alright. So what may I have to do forget the other 2 points then?
I don't know, you know, just...
I just have to prove some man across it. I soon come back, come check it. What you say?
9.
9. Alright, so
Nobody can get 10.
Nobody-
9.
What you mean?
nobody can get 10. So alright, so how come you give me the 9 then?
Because
Yeah.
you just talking to me now is like... No, like... no, because 9...
Yeah.
9 just seem alright. Because 9 are the looks, but then the 1% are like the personality and everything else
Alright.
combined.
So look here, so when me done twist your locks and you can twist mine, me I gonna get the 10, hear that?
Yeah.
I can hopefully me can get a good proper rating from the good Jamaican woman them. So my dear, how much you da rate me out of 10?
10.
Eh? Just so?
Yeah.
How about me you like?
Well, your ear look nice.
Ear, yeah.
And me have locks too, so.
And you have locks too? Yeah man, so we can twist each other locks and all them things there?
Yeah.
Can twist up some other things later too?
No, nothing else but the locks.
How much you ladies would I rate me out of 10?
Probably what, 8?
8. Alright, so come to get the 8.
No.
You don't know?
No.
You don't know, but you give me an 8.
Yeah, no, make you what,
So,
8.
so based off of what you see and what you know, tell me what you give me the 8. You must know something.
Maybe because I prefer them darker.
Darkness falls across the land.
prefer them darker. Okay. Alright, so I can't help with that. So what you say, you rate cartel more now than, cartel, a couple years before, not true?
No,
You know,
no,
rate
no.
Bumbo. How about you, my dear?
I would give it 5 based on looks, but the other 5 depends on the personality.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you split it 50-50.
Yes.
So what you're saying is that I am not ugly.
No, you're not.
Right. You'd have to make sure so that one they communicated proper, mad.
Yes.
So it just the other 5 it just depend on personality.
Personality,
So
yes.
what kind of character traits are you looking for?
They have persons like with bad ways, disrespectful, lie, all of that to tie in the 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
So suppose me tell you right now, say, me not disrespectful. You can show me, you can
No,
introduce me to your mother. Is it me? I say, me not gonna lie to you and all them something there. Is it me? What's about that?
I don't care what you say now. It has to be proven.
Which man hurt you?
I've never been hurted before.
Ross.
Why you is a lion? You blood clot lion.
Wait, that's it. Let's go. What you want me to do?
Take off your jacket. Take out the bag. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do a walk.
Go.
The one where you try to get a wife. I saw you look at wife. Approach elections here. But you get serious. Alright. Ready? Woo. Okay. Alright, ready. Like your approaching here. Oh gosh, you ready? Shall we wait for you? I saw your approaching here.
Of course.
Me see the
I
nerves.
see him say.
Me see the nerves. It turn off. Alright. I love the charisma.
Yeah.
10. The walk. You need a little bit work on confidence, but you have potential.
Yeah.
It looks nice
Yeah.
and clean. And
Looks nice and clean.
Yeah,
So I said,
man.
don't trim them.
no, man, just keep them well groomed.
Yeah.
Body, not see it fully, but it is okay. Yes. One pack. Are you knock it? But yeah, man, you have a lot of potential. You just need more TLC and thing.
Gab, come help him. Ask her friend.
I'd say a whopping 20 or 25. I mean, nice.
So hold on there. Alright, so talk to me. How come you give me so much?
Not to be racist, but you're too nice
Too nice.
and your ear nice.
And my hair
you know,
nice.
like the Rasta boy them now.
But the woman them are downtown want me cut off my head. What about you?
Oh, don't cut it off. It fits you.
Yeah.
I'd say like 8 out of 10.
Alright. So hold on. So hold on. What may I have to do forget the next 2 points?
Like, you can't really grow. You can't really grow. That's all that's left. You can't really grow.
Why me mom can't grow?
Why? Because I'm sure.
So what you mean by me can't grow? Me too short?
Yeah. You can't like. But you can't. Yeah. But
Yo, hear me I say no? If me take off some height off of this and put it on me, I'm good. How about you?
I'd say a 9, but it's the same reason because of the height thing. I actually need the height because, I'm tall.
How tall you be?
I'm not going to say my height, but just know you're not tall enough for me.
Yo, man, tell the God truth, The Trinity girl them have me weak.
I will give you a 9.2.
A 9.2.
Yeah.
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 So we're going for the 0.8.
I don't know your personality. You look nice on the outside.
Alright, let me give me a number. See there. Open your phone. I give me a number. So here we are gonna do. You gotta text me Zin, and then I gotta work for the next 0.8. Zin. Alright. See it there. She have my number, people. All right. Thank you, ladies, so very much. So, how are we doing this? Who first?
I'd say like a 7.
Ooh, 7. All right. So, all right. How come you rate me a 7?
It's not like you see, we have similar reasons. So she said not to take hers, but a good looking, yes. But at the same time, personality, I had to make up for the rest. And I can't go above 7 for me unless your personality making it 10.
All right. So, hold on there. So, what me have to do for the personality that may I try understand?
You had to be kind. Well, of course. And well, I'm a Christian, so that has to be one of it. And
Yo, don't make the locks fool you, know. My church use, you know.
The locks fine.
All right.
Yeah, basically, that's it.
All right, so you forget to know me.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
All right, me get your number later. What about you, my dear?
Probably like the same 7.
Yeah.
Well, 1, because you're red. And not a really red man, and me not. Well, yeah, the ras and the Jamaican accent. So yeah, 7. Yeah, and personality most of all. You have to be funny, kind, caring. You know, have to match my personality as well.
So true, me red, me not a chance.
Nah.
Brown man, them in Jamaica. I'm sorry, I try. Hi.
Hi.
So, what you say?
7, same. Yeah, 7.
So, how come I 7?
You look like a 7.
Alright, so what am I have to do to get the 10?
Personality, that was a good one. Personality is like a big thing, so probably personality might make it up.
Might.
I don't know your personality. I don't know you.
Okay. Alright, you know what? When you can subscribe to my channel and get a better understanding of what I am like, you know? How about that? Subscribe to the channel, feel out my personality a little bit more, and then probably, when you feel to give that 10, just drop it in the comments. All right, cool. We're good at that. Thank you, ladies. Oh, you mean people that don't know say Yaadman? We're there. I check out a UWI, is it me? Come on, Jamaica. I'm gonna find some potential wife, even though one of them actually dead. But regardless, it's easier to deal with than the American woman them. And guess what? The woman them up a UWI, them give me a much stronger rating than I anticipated. None of them never tell me to trim my locks. None of them never tell me about my clothes to wash out. None of them never tell me that my shoes dirty. Yeah, yo. I'm probably gonna find my future wife up a UWI. So check out, people them. Thank you so much for watching. We're out.